Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is going to be 10 wardrobe basics that you would need to build or rebuild your wardrobe. If we've never met before, my name is Auralia, and the content that I provide here on my channel is all around style and fashion for the plus-size mature woman. I firmly believe that life is way too short to live without style. I post 2 to 3 times a week, so if you are into it, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything on my channel. Come and join the family, come and join the fabulousness. I don't like these lists generally because they feel so catastrophic to me. I mean, there is a lot that could happen where you would need to restart your wardrobe, and I don't want to make light of that. The way I pictured it is, this is for someone who maybe is starting over on their wardrobe. Maybe they've gutted their entire closet, all of their clothes, and decide that they want to rebuild a classic wardrobe. So that's where I'm coming from. Or if we want to take a catastrophic angle to it, let's just say that the zombie apocalypse happened. Zombies and the living have found a way to coexist peacefully, and it is now time to rebuild civilization as well as your closet. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing on my list is a white button-down shirt. You cannot beat a white button-down shirt. It is actually a cornerstone of many a wardrobe. It is incredibly versatile. You can dress a white button shirt up or down. You can, wear it with a suit, or you can wear it with a pair of jeans, and it will look really polished, very well put together. And again, like I said, it is a cornerstone to a basic classic wardrobe, or even a basic wardrobe in general. It doesn't even have to be termed classic. You want to get something that is in a nice cotton or a silk, or whatever materials that you like. I will have options for you, by the way, for all of the things that I have linked down below. But do know that you can always find these things thrifted. You don't have to buy them brand new if you don't want to. My second basic wardrobe essential is a great everything dress. Other lists will call it the little black dress or a black dress. You can, by all means, do a black dress if you want to, but honestly, I think that we shouldn't be limiting ourselves to just black. If you want to do a dress in a color, that is perfectly fine too. Whatever suits your personal style and whatever will help you to build up a classic wardrobe. I would not go with the print in this instance though, because the print is very specialized and you can only wear it with certain things. Whereas if you buy yourself a dress that is solid in a color, you can mix and match it with all kinds of different things. Just make sure that it is in a very classic cut, something that is timeless and that will do well in a lot of different situations, both dressed up and dressed down. My third tip is to have a really good coat. One of the building blocks to a wardrobe is having something that you can wear during the winter that looks good, that will go with everything that you have in your closet. And I think trench coats and a wool coat in a neutral color is absolutely the trick. It can be black, but you can definitely branch out to others, but I would stick with a neutral. A coat in a neutral color is absolutely one of those things that you should consider getting. Again, as expensive as you can afford, so that you know that it will last for a very long time, or get it thrifted. Number 4 basic wardrobe essential is a pair of trousers. They can be in any cut, whichever cut is most flattering for your body. Stick to the neutrals because these are building blocks for your wardrobe. You don't want to go with something patterned unless the pattern is so fine that it kind of appears as a neutral. Number 5 in fashion wardrobe basics, jeans. Hands down, a good pair of jeans. My personal preference are dark wash, but frankly, if we're talking about versatility, probably a medium wash would be better. They're light enough to go casual, they're dark enough to go dressy, so that would honestly, if you were really looking for something that is a versatile basic, the most versatile basic, it's gonna be a jean in a medium wash. I'm still going to stick with dark wash though, because I love dark wash. I can't get away from dark wash. It's in my life. That dark wash is in my blood, I think. Number 6 wardrobe basic that you should have is a good white t-shirt. And it can be short sleeve or long sleeve, just depending on what your preference is or what your climate is. I really love the t-shirts from Everlane. I bought some this past summer in a long sleeve and I have never looked back. They are such nice t-shirts, very basic staple, but a white t-shirt can take you very, very far. It's going to go with everything, and it's going to be super, super versatile. If you're averse to white, you can always go with an ivory, or you can also go with a pale gray, and if you're just not into pale colors, a black t-shirt will also work in the same way. You want to stick to neutrals in this situation because you want to be sure that it will go with everything else that you have on this list. And then number 7, that is a good blazer. And I would stick with black in this case. I would. There is just something really formal and really nice about a black blazer. It really will pull things together, and it does it best than any other kind of blazer. And it will go with everything that we're talking about here, and it will help you to look elevated no matter what. Even if you're wearing t-shirts, jeans, and a pair of Converse, you throw on a blazer and the look completely changes. So it is one of those critical pieces that you need to have in your wardrobe that will help to stretch that wardrobe until you can buy supplemental pieces. My number 8 wardrobe essential are a pair of either nude or black pumps. And I selected nude or black. It's just depending on your own personal taste. I honestly prefer nude because I am petite, and nude shoes actually work really, really well for me and my height because it does help to lengthen my legs. And I'm telling you, the best pump that I have ever come across in my 52 years are the Calvin Klein pointy toe leather pumps. It is the Gale pump. The heel height is not too high. The shoe itself is very well constructed. It is really, really comfortable. The pitch or the angle of the shoe works with so many different feet, I think. And the toe box is a really well-sized toe box. They are my absolute most comfortable and most favorite pair of shoes that I have in my closet today. And then my last wardrobe item that I think you need are accessories. And I'm talking about earrings mostly. I really like earrings because they will help to make a statement. I would go, me personally, with a pair of hoops because that's my jam. They're uber classic and they will go with everything. The alternate option would be a pair of studs. Those would also look really, really good as well. I think also a really good belt will be your best friend. Reversible is a bonus. I was able to score my belt, my reversible belt from Lane Bryant, and I couldn't be happier that I have it because it will go black or brown. I do wish it had gold hardware. This one has silver. I can work with it, but definitely a good belt. And if you can get a twofer, even better. I think that with these items, you would have a really good start to a classic wardrobe. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to check out this other video that I've got here for you. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to do so and hit the notification bell before you go. Thank you, as always, so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.